Leading our list of gainers and losers this morning, Amazon at the top of the list. Amazon's up 17 bucks, Google's up 15, LRCX up 777. AVGO, they're up 7 bucks, and OLED. Most of the list is green. The few names, though, that are in the red here, that are leading the list of losers this morning, will be Netflix, MDP, MSI, SMAR, and Roku. Looking to bail here on Ralph Lauren. Ralph Lauren will stopped out there, and Monster very close. Our stop at Monster is 58.73. 58.73. So we're getting close. So I'll send the exit out in a few minutes, and we'll go from there.